Okay, hi. What's your name?
My name is Swan.
Swan?
Swan.
I'm Simon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So I will be your guide for 3-day trek in Sapa.
Great. Okay, so
Now, you ready for the trek?
let's go.
Our clothes quite big.
So they're more relaxing,
Yes.
comfortable.
And when we're wearing the clothes like you guys, we will feel tight on our body, our skin.
Well, it's a bit different in the West.
And especially our people, we not able to show out your skin, so that's why we have to wear very
that's
long.
a very Western thing. Wow. Okay guys, so we're up at the peak, or a peak, of the village at Tarfin. Not much to see around here, is there? It's unbelievable. Really, really beautiful rice terraces, as you can see behind me. I'm actually perched on a rock. I'm kind of balancing. I'm not sure I'm going to stay on this rock. If you see me go down, that's content for you. So have a look at this view. Absolutely amazing. Video and pictures probably don't do it justice, but that's, to my eyes, amazing. So I'll continue balancing for a few more seconds, and just to let you know that we're on our way down again, and then we're going to go and visit the homestay where we're staying tonight. Okay, catch you in a bit. Cheers. Look at this poor boy.
He bring it back for the mommy, I think.
Okay, this is our lunch spot for today. Looks pretty cool. Entrance. Mrs. Sung.
Sung.
Hey. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. So lunch is served.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a sharing room?
Yeah, that's a sharing room.
Oh, right.
And this they make this embroidery from Hamon.
That's lovely.
And the hemp and the indigo
Whoa.
color.
That's really nice.
And this one, when they are staying here, they can share the room.
Ah, so they have a bit of privacy with a curtain.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Here.
This is all made in indigo as well.
The bottom, there's a by hand. This
Yeah.
you can this side you can see the embroidery.
Oh, it's a. I've never seen a room quite like it. It's
And
very
here that
unique.
people can put stuff what they have.
Yeah, put their baggage.
Yeah. So they also separate the room.
That's really cool.
And inside
Mosquito
here,
net.
that's a shower, hot shower, and a restroom.
Okay.
People use together. That
So I like this whole.
and this all the embroidery.
That's lovely. So this is a private room.
Private room, and they have private shower also inside.
Cool. Mosquito net. Very important.
She would do it.
Oh, really? Oh, thanks.
I can't do it. This Hamon style.
Right.
This really heavy stone.
Wow.
That's a beadwork mixed with indigo.
Okay.
So this one a fabric. When you want to make shining like the one her wearing,
Oh, okay.
they will put fabric on.
Wow.
That's a beadwork. This how we make it flow. Can you see her?
Yeah.
If I'm standing like that, I will fall down.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
Like a dancing.
Like a ski machine.
Yeah.
Snowboarder.
That's you see? It's
Ah,
like a
okay, so-
waterproof.
Yeah. See the sheen on it.
So on the outside, inside,
It's rough.
still keeps the natural color. And this how she's dyed the color indigo. She did few hours already. Chị ngâm vào mấy tiếng rồi? 20 phút xuống, 20 phút lên. 20 minutes
20 minutes.
down, 20 minutes up.
Oh, it's quite a lot.
Yeah. That's the indigo color.
Can she make me a pair of jeans?
This bigger. So this one she will use to make a woman clothes.
Right.
And the other one smaller she will use for the men clothes. Hamon man in Sapa.
I honestly, yeah, I always have short sleeves.
Yeah,
I'm not sure it's gonna quite fit me.
yeah. I think this fit. And you put this click on that one.
Put that one on there.
Yeah. Yeah. Turn around.
Fetching.
Yeah. It's handsome. Okay.
Very nice.
Yes.
It's a little bit short.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, say nhau rồng.
No Jong. No Jong. Hello.
Chị có hay ra lừa
Này vô pu cho chia này cha lo cho chia.
như là
Does she speak Vietnamese?
No.
Oh, how old is she?
Có lo cho xong hả?
là gì chậu xong
92 year old.
Whoa. 92 years old.
Chồng nó mama ít chồng mà. Yo to cái to ấy.
Bye bye. Just the final leg, guys, and we're getting pelted with a bit of rain. So not long to go, but quite filthy, quite wet. This is the thing about trekking in Sapa in the mountains. The weather is unpredictable. So they're drying the corn here for chicken feed?
Yeah, and pig.
Oh, and the pigs as well, so. Okay, so we've arrived at the homestay. Just a nick of time.
Yeah, that's our homestay.
Hello!
See Mei-Sing.
Mei-Sing?
She's the owners and the family.
Ah. Hello! Mua rồi. Mua.
Xin chào.
Xin chào đó.
Bạn khỏe chứ?
Cảm ơn, cảm ơn. Say hello.
Xin chào.
Xin chào đó. Xin chào.
Khỏe không?
Hey, khỏe, khỏe.
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 Xin mời vào nhà.
Cảm ơn. I think that would be a good view if it wasn't raining. Okay, so checked in. If you check in with homestays, this is my room. Pretty standard beds, mattress, the quilt cover. Got your mosquito net as well, and still got power and things like that. But gaping holes, so definitely need the mosquito net. And actually, oh, the window, there's a window with a nice view. Actually, at one with nature again. Lovely.
Oh, not so much.
Wow.
Simon, you can go in the bath.
Yeah. Okay. This is a herbal bath. This feels tremendous. Lots of herbs and plants and all sorts in this. It's not the most comfortable bath in the world, but I think it's probably the most healthy. So this is dinner time. Bit of a feast going on.
Ôi, mới cho quả tiêu nhỏ.
Lots of food.
Nhớ một cái nhìn tiêu quả tiêu à? Như cho quả tiêu nhỏ. Ủa, tiêu quả sữa.
These are the owners of the homestay. Hello, hello. Oh my God.
Welcome water.
Welcome, happy water. Zio. Zio.
Tiêu.
Tiêu. Tiếng Zhao. Tiêu. Tiêu. Okay, so
Missy Mei-Sing and Mr. Vang.
Mr. Vang, Miss
That's
Mei-Sing.
the food advice from them.
This is great. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Thank you very much. You're wanting rice wine already.
So this is the rice wine. Welcome water.
Okay. Chúc sức khỏe.
Không nhang bơ.
Không ngon.
Like chính xác.
Không nhang đến nhà giật bữa.
Chúc sức khỏe.
Nhà đó cho hai mà nó qua ta chạm mình sẽ thấy mà nó chắc thôi.
Chặt chúc tay nhau kia gia đình.
Chú mà việc mình
Okay.
Trên
Hấp chiêu.
rau khai mắt chúc tay.
Thì tụi con hay. Tụi tao dưới nó như phản diện tụi tao tự giận.
Lành trinh. Bác Liên ồ.
Okay.
You can say Lansing. This means thank you.
Lansing? Ah, Lansing.
Oh.
And that's day one over, really.